Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, guys, today we have an opening from IBM and also Cycles to explain. So, let's see what are the eligibility criteria, who can apply for the job, and everything in detailed format. Before that, if you like this video, to share this video among your friends so that they can also make use of this opportunity and start their career. Okay, so let's move on to the content. Before that, I have something very exciting to remind, like there is opportunity for you to get to know all these kind of things, that like cracking the top brand, tips on technical and interview rounds, how to join big tech brands, improve your coach chef profile, interviews of top tech leaders and folks who made it big, architecture breakdown of popular applications, understand the hiring process. So you can just imagine how big or how important is this opportunity, right? So all the things that you are going to get it done, or you are getting introduced to all this topic by one thing. Okay, so that one thing is an initiative by an academy. You can just go through their website and know about it more. So you can just see that there are so much open opportunities that they're providing. It's a live classes, innovative courses, access to industry experts, then unlimited access and everything. So yes, this is the courses that is going to start. So basically it is not like giving you the pre-placement talks. As I've mentioned, you will be getting some like interview questions, answers and everything. Not only that, everything regarding like the interview preparation, the resume building, then your college projects will be getting reviewed and approved by the concerned experts in the field, like software development department from the top tech companies. Then thereafter you'll be having a talk with the HR, like who is the panelist of the interview board, right? So that HR and the courses on blockchain, crypto, then supply chain, everything. Okay, so everything is coming under a single roof, a single umbrella. So if you could grab this opportunity, then you will be well prepared to apply for any of the company, to crack any of the company interview, and to get started with the work in that company without any hesitation. Like first when you start, you'll be having some sort of crashes, frictions, right? Without that, you will be getting to do. So there are so much things available. You can explore it yourself. So first, I'm starting with this HR talk just to show the schedule things. So you can see here, this is the schedule. Like if you click on any of the courses provided, you can see the schedules available, like when it is scheduled and every details regarding the same. And you can see the numerous things like interview preparation, beating the odds, placement tips and hacks, world of data analytics, approaching coach chef and everything. So you can get your queries done here as well. You can just go for the questions that you have and they will be giving the tips and strategies to follow. To get this, you can click on the subscribe button. So you can see here 83 per month as the rupees available, but you don't actually need to pay this money. We can give the yes discount for that because you are online study family, right? So to we can just pay this pratikkumar.125, the coupon code provided, and this will be there along with the link that I've provided in the description box. You can get it and apply. So you can see the discount price of 75 rupees. So this is the money you have to make it. This is the payment you have to make it, and you can proceed to pay for the further, and you can fill the form, make the payment and get started with it. Okay, so this is the things that you have to keep in mind regarding the same. And now I have something, that is the top 10 interview questions that is going to happen this Saturday night 9 p.m. So this is the things happening there. So to this total, like what is the structure in a week? As I've mentioned, like 83 rupees per month. So what all things will be happening in a month? So this is it. These many things will be happening. Like every Sunday, like tech extracurriculars will be there, HR talks will be there, weekend projects, reach for the starts. And in Wednesdays, beating the odds. Then Thursdays, placement tips and hacks. Then every Friday, talking tech. Then project reviews. Then Saturday, the apprentice and tech extracurriculars, approaching coach chef, top interview questions, reach for the stars. So you can just see that weekly you have almost a whole of the week, expand the 2 days, whole of the week is stacked by the things. And you can just imagine if you have 30 days a month, like approximately 20 days in a month, you are getting a complete, and just rupees 83, not 83, 75 rupees. 75 rupees per month you are getting the subscription. So this is very, 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 very important, and this will help you a lot in your career as well. So just go through a link that I've mentioned in the description and know about all these things available and start your career without further delay. Know about the right path that you have to travel and travel through that. Okay, so that's about it, guys. So make use of this opportunity. So now let's move on to the opening available, that is from IBM. So IBM is hiring for the software engineer. So let's see what are those available. Yes, require technical and professional expertise, strong expertise in system software programming skills like C, C++, Java, Python, Golang, React.js, Groovy, strong knowledge of operating systems and concepts, experience with cloud computing technologies such as Red Hat, OpenShift, microservices architectures, then Kubernetes, Dockers, etc. Good communication, master's or bachelor's in computer science and other relevant fields available. Okay, so they wanted to have these many knowledge. If then you can belong to masters or bachelors, that is not a problem at all. Now the required and professional expertise, you can just go. They wanted to know about these concepts in these fields. Okay, so you can just go through the things and know about it. So basically they need some of certain kind of technical knowledge, technology that you must know about it. Okay, so to apply for that, you can just go with this apply now link and complete your complete registration process. Yes, you can click on this apply button. Yes, apply to jobs. And you can give your mail ID and log in, then give all the personal details according to you, and you can just make it. Okay. And the application process will be same. You can just give the your personal details, your education details. They'll be asking for the work experience. If you have, you can give, else you can completely skip that off, and give the well updated resume according to the eligibility criteria mentioned in that, okay, in the job opening section. Include that if you have in that, then only those keywords will be matched and your resume will be picked up, right? That's about it, the IBM job opening. So coming to the package details, you can like assure like 4 plus LPAs for sure for the software engineer in IBM. So 4 to 5, like it's almost 5 in IBM. So you can make assurance of 4 plus LPA. That is what I mentioned. So this is about the opening in IBM. Register to it at least at the earliest. We don't know when the link will be getting expired. So before the link get expired, make sure that you just apply for the same. Okay. So next we have from the Cycus. So Cycus is hiring from the technical support executive, that is freshers. And now coming to the IBM, it is applicable for 20 and 21st passed out batches. Okay. And now coming to the Cycus, yes, freshers, and you will be a part of 24. You can just go for this and know about the job role and job description. Now coming to the requirements, yes, engineering graduate, BE or BTech in CS, IT or electronics, experience in 0 to 1 years of experience, then strong communication skills, willingness to work in shift, flexible, enthusiastic approach to work, including a strong desire to learn new tools and techniques to solve business problems, ability to collaborate with various internal and external stakeholders, ability to multitask, learn, execute, and excel, understanding of supply chain operations, e-procurement tools, incident management, etc. Okay, so if you are done with all these things, then you can apply for this job. So they are looking forward for the basic things that you must have. Okay, and you can see the location is available, that is Mumbai, Maharashtra. And now to the application process, you can just upload your resume and go for the autofill option, or else you can go for the same, like filling all your personal information, then your resume, the details regarding the education, experience, and everything. And after that, you submit application. Okay, so this is the few simple tips or steps that you have to make it. So coming to the tips to apply for both of the job, one thing is when you give the resume, to pick the keywords from the eligibility criteria and include in your resume. So while your resume is getting scanned for the approval, those keywords will be stricken out and you will be getting a chance to get in. Okay, so this is about it. I think all of the things which I've mentioned is pretty much clear. So if you have any further doubts regarding the same, please do mention in the comment section. We'll be looking forward for that. Okay, so until I come up with another video regarding so much of opportunities available, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.